Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Welcome to this new video here on Solana. Just wanted to keep you updated. I did not make a video on Solana yesterday, but I did cover it over the course of this week, obviously, when all the FUD went around. And when all the bearish pressure pushed Solana into its last beacon of hope right here at 165 and 170. So in this video, wanted to talk about what's going on, what to expect, what the current situation is. Can we actually expect some bullish momentum here? So that's what we'll do. So let's get right into it. I'll try to keep this video nice and short and concise. But there are some things we just need to talk about and some things you need to know if you want to know the situation for Solana. Now, obviously, as most of you know, the situation that brought Solana this low was, first of all, the market was relatively bearish, right? The market certainly did not help with providing a lot of strength at this level, for example, at 180, which is now our main resistance level, and also a very interesting level to keep an eye on. But outside of that, there just also was a lot of bad reputation and negative sentiment around Solana for two reasons. The first one is still super relevant, which is the unlocks coming out the 1st of March, which I'll still spend time talking about that a little bit more a couple of days before the actual unlocks, because my opinion on what happens after the FTX unlocks very much depends as well on the price action we will see before that. For example, I mean, if the price turns very bearish before that, I don't think we're going to drop down lower the 1st of March. I think that we will actually see relief coming in the 1st of March. While if the price goes up a lot before the 1st of March, I would say the opposite. But I'll talk about that more in later videos. We don't need to get into depth too much about that, because the other element was obviously negative sentiment around all those scam coin and shitcoin launches. So what that did is that the fundamentals right now for Solana are not great. The DEX trading volumes have dropped down a lot. The revenue is very low right now, but it's not this, well, it might be this low, I'm not sure. And the TVL, you can also see right here, has also declined, but is also stagnating right now. So fundamentally, Solana is not doing great. However, what I've always told you in my videos is that I always thought on the higher time frames that, you know, the main support level is right here at 170 and 165. And even though the fundamentals for Solana did not look great, honestly, I did always say I think we're going to hold that level. And you can see on the 3-day time frame right now, I think we have successfully held that level. On the daily time frame, you can see it as well. And on the daily time frame, we also broke above, like you can see the value area high right here, that blue line. If we drag that along, you can actually see that we managed to break above that on the daily time frame. And the bottom right here was also very well defended, right? I mean, if you go to the volume for Solana, it's probably down right now. Volume is quite stable, but the volume we spent securing that bottom and bouncing from that was enormous, right? So that's why I think the bottom will hold. All right. Now, do I expect that we will turn bullish all of a sudden? Bullish? Not necessarily. All right. I expect Bitcoin to stay relatively bullish on the short term. And I think that, like I said, that this is the bottom for Solana. So I do actually expect some more bullish momentum for Solana. But will Solana have enough strength to get into $200? I don't think so. I think it's more likely for Solana that we will consolidate here between 190 and 170 or 165, and then if we actually get some more strength and some more proof that Solana is actually recovering, then we can talk about a move into 205. But honestly, I mean, from this consolidation, which something like this is what I think is most likely for Solana, right? So some more bullish momentum and then stabilize. I have to be honest, I mean, if Bitcoin, for whatever reason, I mean, there's a lot of leverage in Bitcoin right now. If Bitcoin, for whatever reason, turns bearish again and drops down into 93,000, there is still a possibility that Solana drops down lower into 145. So be aware of that. I will keep you updated on that, of course. So don't worry too much about that yet. Short term, we're still fine. But yeah, keep an eye out on the channel for updates on that. That's what you need to know for now. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.